toolbox, a camera, and a couple old cars. Some things work and some things fail. Every fucking lesson learned pulls back the veil. Building decks, fixing breaks, growing gardens, making mistakes. One more project, one more chance. Life ain't waiting, the reaper wants to dance. No limits, no script, just sit around and watch me build some shit. Nathan Unlimited, what the fuck? Sit back, crack a beer and let's build some stuff. Nathan Unlimited, now you're in luck, cause I'm a crazy ass prick that don't give a fuck. Nathan Unlimited, yeah, I do a lot of shit. Let me know if my videos helped a bit. Hey. Sun comes up and the grinder sings, turning old junk into useful things.